Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to unsend a message on your iPhone. To unsend a message on an iPhone, open up the Messages app. Once you get into the Messages, open up the chat of your friend and then type a message and send it to your friend. After sending the message, long press on it and it will show you the drop-down menu. From the menu, you will be able to see the Undo Send Message option, and then your sent message will be unsent from the chat. Also, you can edit your message to unsend the message you sent at first. You can edit the text and change it completely. So, send a text and hold on to it. Then, choose the edit option to edit the text. But there is a thing in this way your friend will get to know that the text you sent is edited. Or if you want to mark your message as unread, then go back to the Messages app and swipe right on the chat you want to mark as unread. All of these things are possible in one way. If you have updated your iPhone to iOS 16 or 16 beta, so open up the Settings app on your phone and go into General from the settings, then tap on the Software Update. Make sure you have the iOS 16 version on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.